Have you gotten served with a workplace complaint? Maybe it's not formally served by a legal process server, but maybe your supervisor or human resources, labor relations, someone along those lines has informed you that someone that works for you has filed a complaint. Sometimes it's a coworker. Either way, you're probably just in that, oh my God, what do I do? I work with a lot of people who are in those situations, even after stellar careers for decades. It can just take that one complaint to make you question whether you're going to lose everything you've been working for. I'm Nancy Schick of 30 Year Conflict Resolution. I'm an employment attorney in New York as well as a global workplace mediator. These are, again, the types of issues I deal with every day. I've seen a lot of them in recent years. They're very complex. There are often internal and external procedures that you need to coordinate. It may be that you want to keep your job, which is what happens with a lot of my clients. They have stellar careers. They love their work. They love their employer, but somebody files a complaint against them. And again, they're now wondering, am I going to be canceled? Am I going to be unemployed? If you're over a certain age, this might be really concerning for you. We know that a lot of people have gotten laid off. I can understand at my age, not having my livelihood as predictable can be very disconcerting. So, one of the things that I will work with you on is aligning with your employer's goals. Maybe it's a performance improvement plan that you've gotten in conjunction with this. You want to make sure that there is a fair and impartial investigation so that any discipline that might occur is commensurate with the offense that's been alleged, and you want to make sure that offense has been proven. This is the kind of thing that a lawyer can help you do. It doesn't mean you're automatically going to run to court, but having additional guidance through that process can protect your rights to file a lawsuit if you need to, if that investigation, for example, is not fair or an adverse employment decision is made against you. As you can hear, there's a lot that needs to be considered when a complaint is filed, whether it's your complaint that you're filing against someone else, or if you are the recipient of that. If you'd like to discuss the options that you have for resolving workplace disputes out of court, hit that button below and schedule that courtesy conversation with me. I won't be necessarily providing you legal advice depending on what state you're in, but I can, if you're in New York, give you a little bit of guidance there. And I do work in higher education with people under the federal law. Lots to work through with a lawyer to give you that guidance and give you that breathing room. In the meantime, of course, keep listening with your third ear. For those hurts you can heal.